So aren't these beautiful? They're so tiny. They're a lot smaller than regular zinnia flowers, as you can see. These queen limes are actually kind of the general size of a zinnia flower that you'll see out there. Hey everybody, Sean and Allison here from Spoken Garden.
Hi you guys, happy Thursday, and it's day 157.
If you don't know, we're the Quarantine Gardeners, and this is our daily video log of us accomplishing different projects around our garden while we're under quarantine.
Yeah, and we're so thankful you're here, you guys. Thank you for watching. Go ahead and click that subscribe button down below if you haven't already, so you don't miss out on every daily video that we post.
So guys, today we're gonna give you an update on our cut flower garden. We wanted to show you what we planted and then show you how well they're doing.
Okay, you guys, here is our cut flower garden this year, and it's a little crazy.
It's a little overgrown, looks big, but it's awesome.
Oh my God, it's so beautiful. And partly because we've been busy and partly because we just haven't had the heart to cut these because they're so pretty all together. We haven't really been using this as a cut flower garden per se, as more of a colorful area of our front yard. A little bumblebee on one of our zinnias. So we tried out a whole bunch of new seed packets this year, and we've been so happy with all of them. Most all of these seed packets came from floret flowers too.
Yep, they're great seeds. They germinated really well, and you can see they grew really well. They grew really strong and healthy. We even had to cut out a bunch of the cosmos on the far right of the screen there. You can't probably see it yet, but we can show you in a minute maybe. But we had to cut a lot of that out because it was getting so big and so overgrown. It was laying down and it was pushing on the zinnias and the other plants around it. It was shading out different plants, so we cut it out.
I mean, right, and I mean these huge plant stems, super thick.
Yeah, we're still surprised about how big the cosmos stems have gotten and were even before we pruned them.
I mean, look at these. These are cupcake white, again from floret flower, and oh my God, we just love these.
Yeah, and then look how big these zinnias got. I mean, you might have already seen these, but this is just so beautiful. I mean, how gorgeous are these?
This is a mix called Desert Sun from floret flowers, and we've been so just pleased every time something new pops open.
These are from floret. Here you go.
We're definitely saving these seeds, and we'll tell you more about those later. I have to point out this beautiful orange one that's kind of hidden down here. Look at that, you guys. Look how big that is. It has to be almost 2 inches, maybe 1.5 inches thick. Wow.
This is called Queen Lime, and these are beautiful green petaled flowers. And so here's Queen Lime from floret. These are the seeds we used, what you're seeing right here. So there you go.
Really like these. They just add a nice contrast to everything else in this bed.
And then also, guys, just over here to the left and down, we've got what's called Lilliput. Lilliput salmon. There you go. There's a seed packet. And so aren't these beautiful? They're so tiny. They're a lot smaller than regular zinnia flowers, as you can see. These queen limes are actually kind of the general size of a zinnia flower that you'll see out there. But these Lilliputs are tiny.
I love that we have a variety of these sizes. We didn't really plan on that. We just kind of got excited and grabbed a bunch of seeds that we thought were pretty. But we literally have like an extra large, large, medium, and small. I mean, it's kind of a range. It's so cool.
For us, this is something new. We've never grown these before. These are China asters, and these are coming up. They're getting ready to bloom. You can see that. They're almost ready to just pop right open. And so these are lady coral chamois, or as I was just saying a few moments ago, ShamWow.
Chamois, maybe? We feel stupid. We don't know how to say it.
We're not sure. But so this is the seed packet for those. And aren't these beautiful?
Oh, these are gonna be fun. And yeah, you can see there's like a bunch. There's one down there.
Oh, here's one right here that's about ready to pop just down there.
Oh, it's starting to have a tinge of pink there around this, around the petals. So that's gonna be really fun to watch that one emerge, because this is definitely a later bloomer. These zinnias have been going strong for, gosh, probably 2 months.
At least, yep.
So that was a pleasant surprise.
Yep.
The cupcake whites did bloom probably first as well. So these have been going for at least 2 months.
Here is the seed packet, again from floret.
So another flower we have tucked way down in here, and mainly just for the color, and now they've been completely crowded out, but we have marigolds.
Yeah guys, this is Marigold Sparky Mixed Colors. This is from Mountain Valley Seed, different from floret, and there's the seed packet. These are a little bit older seeds for us. I think we bought these about 2 years ago.
I think so, yeah.
And so we used them, we planted them again this spring, and lo and behold, they germinated, and look what we got.
Really germinated. There's a bunch, if you can see through the zinnias, right down in there. And we decided to use these as more of a cut flower versus like putting these in a tomato bed or any other type of vegetable.
Yeah, last year we put them in the same bed, but we used them to protect the tomato plants from other pests.
So this year our idea was to kind of arrange this bed by color, and that sort of happened because we started with white and then we kind of rolled out this way through the pinks and the oranges and then ending with like this greenish yellow color. So they're all intermixed, so it doesn't really look like rows of colors like I kind of had hoped for, but...
Well, this is a good lesson for both of us, a reminder for me and maybe something new for Allison, that even though we might have planted them in perfect rows and they looked like they were all gonna come up just perfectly and they were gonna be set up perfectly, plants get a mind of their own, they grow where they want to, and this is what happens. So.
And this isn't a bad thing to watch happen.
Great. No. Yeah, it's just a reminder that plants will stretch and grow and do their own thing over and above whatever you think or plan for them to grow. So.
And it would probably help if we cut these once in a while, but they're so pretty.
Yeah.
Okay.
So guys, that's our update on our cut flower garden. Hopefully that was fun for you too, and you got to see some new flowers there.
Just love them. I want to have a whole, I want to have yards and yards of cut flowers. So that's in our future maybe, but for now we'll use our raised beds and grow as many as we can.
So guys, leave your comments and questions down below for us. We love hearing from you. Give us that thumbs up, let us know we're doing a good job, and subscribe to our channel so you get updates on our latest videos.
And that's a wrap for today, you guys. We'll be back tomorrow with our Friday plant chat with another new plant. So come on back to see what we're up to, and we hope you have a great day ahead.
See you tomorrow, everybody.
Bye, everybody.
Bye-bye.